Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Reviewing the ZP election results and now how to strengthen the party organization. That is the main focus. And how to regain the trust of the Goan people. And we take up people's issues. There are many issues, burning issues in Goa. No, he has sent his resignation. That the party high command will decide what to do. I will also finish my 2-day program here and then again discuss and then with the party high command. I am just saying that many people who are capable of holding that responsibility. But ultimately we have to take everyone's view and take a ultimate decision will be Srimati Sonia Gandhi will take the ultimate decision. We will do whatever is in the interest of the Congress party and suitable decisions will be made. We will take necessary steps. We want to bring in new leadership. We want to have new faces in the elections, more committed people. We want to identify them, so that we bring in a fresh blood into the party, new ideas, new thoughts. So this time in the elections also we want to put in many new faces.
लुईझन म्हणटा काँग्रेसीक तरणाटे नेतृत्व जाय, सगळे आजे जाले अशें म्हणून जावचें ना. खऱ्या नेत्याक नवे नेतृत्व वळखून ते तयार करपाक कळपाक जाय.
Just saying young faces, grandfathers, it doesn't solve the solution, the problem. I tried 60 to 70% new faces in the last assembly elections, and you know the results. Very successful leader should be able to identify new leadership and should be able to get the new leaders to take over the responsibility successfully. But I'm sure the party will take a decision, whichever is in the interest of the party, and there must be so many people.
विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी दिगंबर कामत म्हणटा तोच फाल्यां उरतलो काय म्हणून दुबाव. प्रदेशाध्यक्ष जातलो काय म्हणून विचारल्यार तो खंय कित्यानूच इंटरेस्टेड ना.
हांव ताका फक्त आयडिया मेळून आशिल्लो म्हणून हांव आयलो.
ओके.
हांव तो मेळटलो
किती स्ट्रॅटेजी मीटिंग
सगळ्यांक मेळटलो तो ताणीच म्हणलो न्ही आपूण सगळ्यांक मेळटलो.
ओके.
फुडलो लिडरशिप कितें सर
फुडलो प्रेसिडेंटाची बद्दल ती अधिकार म्हाका हांवूच उरतलो काय कितें हाजेर म्हाका दुबाव आसा फाल्यां काय ना न्ही कितें सांगता न्ही.
बट सर तुमी इंटरेस्टेड
ते पावर दिली काय
ओके बट सर तुमी इंटरेस्टेड आसा सर फॉर जीपीसीसी पोस्ट
हांव इंटरेस्टेड.
झेडपी वेंचणूक बीजेपीन पयलींच मॅनेज केल्ली, काँग्रेसीक खंय वेळूच मेळूना.
See, ZP election, first of all, because of the delay, we had no idea when the election was going to take place. Suddenly, BJP knew when they were going to, it was all fixed. They knew when the election was going to take place. They had already managed many things. And we didn't have much time to even campaign. And the second thing was they made all kinds of promises, 10,000 jobs, then we'll restart mining. And of course, money, you know how they're spending money like water. We also have to introspect, definitely. Though we have worked hard, our candidates have worked very hard, we were confident of better results. But somewhere I think we should have worked in a more better fashion. And our leaders should get involved more.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.